Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Illustrator. Let's begin by familiarizing ourselves with the core workspace. You'll discover the essential tools located on the left panel, crucial for all your design tasks. Next, we'll create a new document, setting up custom dimensions like 1920 by 1080 pixels for a web graphic or a 4 by 6 inch print layout. Finally, master navigating your artboard using simple zoom and pan techniques to view your work up close or from a broader perspective. Now, let's dive into creating and manipulating shapes, the building blocks of vector art. Use the rectangle, ellipse, and polygon tools to draw perfect geometric forms with ease. For more intricate designs, the pen tool is your best friend, allowing you to create precise, custom paths and curves. Once you have multiple shapes, the Pathfinder panel becomes invaluable. It lets you combine, subtract, or intersect objects, transforming simple elements into complex illustrations with just a few clicks. Moving on, let's explore color, text, and how to keep your projects organized. The swatches and color panels offer powerful ways to apply and manage your color palette, from solid fills to gradients. Adding text is straightforward. Choose from hundreds of fonts and customize their size, leading, and kerning to perfection. For complex designs, layers are essential. Grouping related elements and naming your layers will save you countless hours, ensuring your artwork remains clean and easy to edit. Finally, let's cover how to save and export your finished artwork. Saving your project as an AI file preserves all its editable vector data. When exporting, you have many options. For web, choose JPEG or PNG, often at 72 pixels per inch for optimal file size. For print, PDF or EPS are ideal, typically at 300 pixels per inch, ensuring high quality. Understanding the difference between vector and raster formats is key to choosing the right output for any purpose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.